Hey, welcome everybody. Today we're going to be making a copycat version of El Torero's restaurant Salsa. This place right here is an institution in the Atlanta area. It is a family-owned restaurant chain. The food is just wonderful, but the salsa, oh, the salsa is legend. I mean, people daydream about this stuff. I mean, they're like drooling, oh, when you mention El Torero salsa. I mean, I could drink this stuff, it's so good. So I set myself out to make the best copycat home version that I can, because I can't always go to the restaurant, and plus I like making food and recipes and inventing new recipes. It's what I do. So this is what I came up with, and I think it's pretty darn close. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Here's a list of the ingredients. 1 28-ounce can, no salt added crushed tomatoes. 2 pickled jalapenos, drained with 1/4 cup of the jalapeno brine. You just slice the jalapeno and squeeze out the extra juice. 1.5 cups of water. 2 cloves of minced garlic. You can use fresh, but here I'm using prepackaged minced garlic for convenience. Juice of half a fresh lime. 1/4 cup of chopped white onion. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. And 1 tablespoon of salt. If you can't find or don't have any no salt added crushed tomatoes, just cut back on the salt. Don't use a tablespoon, probably use about a teaspoon. But taste it and go from there. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is add the can of crushed tomatoes to the blender. Make sure you get it all out. Now the water. And we're going to give it a quick pulse in the blender to combine everything together and to chop up a few of the pieces from the crushed tomatoes. Okay, let's add the rest of our ingredients. The white onion, the garlic, the cilantro. I think I really need a little mini spatula to do this. The jalapenos with the brine. The salt. And remember, if you don't have no salt crushed tomatoes, just cut back on the salt. Start with a teaspoon rather than a tablespoon and go from there. Now there's the fresh lime juice. And we're going to give it a few pulses again to combine everything and chop up the large pieces. You don't want this smooth, but hey, if that's what you like, go ahead and make it smooth. You want this very small pieces. Okay, once you've got it blended up to a nice consistency, let's go over to the stove and pour it into a pot, because this is a cooked sauce, a heated sauce, which will blend all the flavors. Now, you don't want to boil this at all. You just want to bring this to a mild simmer for about 5 minutes. You can get a better look at the consistency now. See, it's small pieces, not gigantic, but it's not super smooth. This is what you're looking for. I'm going to put a lid on it just so it heats up faster, but I'm going to keep my eye on it. Okay, it's been about 5 or 10 minutes, closer to 10, and as you can see, it's got a very, very small simmer. This is what you want. Just give it a good stir. Now I think she's done. It looks good. So we're going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool for a little while. Okay, once it's cooled enough to be able to put it into the Tupperware, go ahead and pour it into the Tupperware, put a lid on it, and then we're going to put it in the fridge to completely cool. I mean, as you see so far, it looks a little thin, runny, but once it completely cools off, it will thicken up. Alright, in the fridge it goes. Okay, it's the next day, and it's completely cooled off. Now as I stir this here, you're going to see how it's thicker now? It's all come together. See if I can give you a close-up of the consistency of it to what it looks like. Get the camera to focus here. There you go. See, it's beautiful. It's perfect. Alright, let's give this a try. See how we did. I love the scoops. Holds so much salsa. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That is on the money. That is good. Okay, do me a favor. Give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I do appreciate you watching the video. And as always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my videos if you like them and share. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.